you are now aware, we are heading to Seaworld today.
So that's how you knew we were going to Seaworld.
We're going to hit up Character Warehouse and probably a Dollar Tree and maybe a Target, and then hopefully we'll be able to check into the hotel a little bit early this afternoon and we'll take you with us. What was the hotel called again? The Hilton. A Hilton Garden something. Cool name. Seaworld. Ooh. Yeah, Hilton Garden Inn. It's cool. Oh yeah, we can have breakfast down there. And this is like the lobby area. Seating area. A bar. And there's reception. American Girl. Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
I want it.
Should we go say hello at reception? We're in 517, so 5th floor. Elevator.
Wow, look at the doors.
The cool doors.
Wow, I want to go on that. No.
Yeah,
Yeah, we've got an Infinity Falls.
And he wears a coat. So don't wear a coat.
okay.
5th floor.
Dad, don't worry. How do you know it's the 5th? Daddy.
said. And it starts with a 5.
Dad. Look.
So what if you're new
Don't worry, don't worry. Tucker.
Oh, wait.
Maybe you're going to be Dad.
Maybe that way?
Dad.
It won't be that way, will it? Be this way. This does look like a fire exit though.
Who says fire exit? Don't push it.
That was on that way.
Oh, this is good. So well done.
519, 5 and 6, 517. Here we go.
There we go.
Dad.
They're like, why are you people trying to get into the electrical room?
Cannot come out until we're in our room.
Ooh! Look at this. Oh, this is nice. Nice little chair for Dad.
No,
What?
me.
Oh, we've got a cool view.
Tap that. You're going to see out the window. Oh, that's cool.
We got a view of SeaWorld. Woo!
And my baby's going to
You see SeaWorld?
Dad!
Oh wow.
Dad!
What? Oh, what are you
Mummy!
doing?
Is that
Tuck, tuck.
cold?
Yes, nice.
Oh yeah. Look, you can see the roller coasters.
Who
That's
wants
cool.
Baby Yoda to come out? Who wants Baby Yoda
You've
to
got to
come
work out how
out?
to get to that.
We're
Yeah.
just getting in the beds.
Oh, cool.
Before.
Someone's at the door. I wonder who that could be. Oh, look through the peephole. Oh, it's Lil. I saw you.
Where is he? That didn't even I scared you! That didn't even scare you!
Welcome to the room. So we are in room 517 of the Hilton Garden Inn. Over here.
Oh,
So this is where
we've got drawers.
you got an ironing
Tuck,
board,
tuck, don't wake him up!
drawers,
And
good storage,
don't wake him up.
an ironing board, some hanging up space.
An iron. So now can I actually show you something? I've been showing you that.
Nice big fridge.
Not that cold though.
Bathrooms, very spacious. Shower.
And a shower.
Bath.
Like it's clean, but
Yeah.
it's like
Tired.
tired.
So guys,
But it's one night.
guys.
Hi. Got some free soaps, tissue, toilet roll, standard toilet, bin. Wave in the mirror.
Hi.
Hmm.
Hello, come here.
Yes, nice. Nice size.
So, then it's off my stuff.
That's just to fold the fridge out thing.
That's the thing.
And you've got
And
the
then-
coffee machine, which I assume is free.
Yeah.
Ice bucket, microwave.
Look!
And a big.
No, Lily, I was going to show you.
Oh.
And look! These stuff.
Oh yeah,
And Lily stuff.
it's more area.
So
for
let me go show
suitcases
you my
and stuff. Then we've got 2 queen size beds or king size beds, whatever
Dad,
country you're in.
That's my bed, by the way, and this is my desk.
That's
Cool.
yours and Lisa's bed.
Big TV,
Hey,
More.
this is my desk.
drawer space,
When he comes. Hey, this is my
and
desk.
this is the desk that's just been on about for the last 20 minutes. We've got a chair, Dad's
My
chair,
desk.
reading chair with a
So
stool,
Lily, this is your
London.
desk, okay? Oh no, that's your
bedside.
desk.
There's one outlet there. Any other outlets?
Oh, outlet check. Is there any
Outlet
on your
check.
desk, Liz? There's 2 here.
2 there, 2
There's
outlets.
one here,
1 on the bedside, 2 at the desk,
one
kind of
here.
2 on the lamp. Yeah, it's quite a lot.
Lily, I
No
think I need
USBs
this
though.
because that's okay.
Okay.
So make sure you bring a plug, obviously an aircon machine, and then the view.
I didn't
View of SeaWorld.
That chair hasn't even come.
This chair. That one's bad.
So that concludes our room tour
Okay.
of the Hilton Garden Inn. It's nice.
So Lily, I'm good here.
It's alright.
So one day I have this channel.
But it's clean. It's cool.
So I like that chair.
Bed check.
Bed check. Bed check.
Bed check.
Bed check. So guys,
View.
let's go.
Yeah, that's good view.
Whoa, Lily. Whoa!
Look, this is my phone.
The comfy bed.
Yeah, comfy bed.
Cool.
Let's go to
Right, got
set and
So we'll do a character warehouse haul later on, as we're now heading off to SeaWorld, and we think that we need to head for the blue teepee right there in the horizon, which is literally adjacent to this hotel. So we're trying to get onto that path just there, which is left to us now. So yeah, we'll let you know how we get on. See you in a bit. It's the #1 rule of standing in a lift. Push a button. We're here for like a whole minute, not moving.
What do we do when we're in the elevator?
Oh, bit late. Oh, watch out, mate. So, courtesy of attraction tickets, we got a bundle with them. No sponsors. We've got 4 SeaWorld tickets.
Vlog.
3 adults, 1 child.
Vlog.
Ooh, burn dance.
That wasn't the binder.
Oh. And we're now going to make our way to SeaWorld. Whoop whoop. So this is the Hilton Garden Inn. So there's actually a step entrance as well, which takes you.
Out the back door.
So that's the back door. Steps out of the back door.
Literally next door to the Renaissance.
And that's the Renaissance, which I don't know if you can get through on the side, but they're in front of us anyway. Yeah, so this is the road that leads you straight to SeaWorld car park, which is right ahead. It's literally a minute walk. But we'll have a look at what other hotels. Oh no, there's Stay Bridge to the right,
And there was the Hampton.
and the Hamptons just there. Oh look, Hilton Garden Inn, you can see. But yeah, nice and easy to get onto this stretch of road.
Like it was like 20 minutes on Google.
Yeah, it's literally a minute, 2 minutes tops. And then you got Haybridge. What was that one over there?
At SeaWorld is
Oh,
the...
Homewood.
Guys,
Homewood
Guys.
Suites.
guys, at
Yeah.
SeaWorld there's a ride.
A few rides. We'll have a look. Okay, so we're at the end of the road, but the next problem is where to cross and how to cross. So I think we go right.
We've got
2 helicopters. Just walking to the traffic lights.
I couldn't remember how
So-
to get from the Renaissance.
Right, so turning right takes you to a crossing, but you can't walk up towards SeaWorld because there's no path.
No,
So-
you have to go in via the taxi and bus.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
so we're now going to have to just walk back up where we were. Just so
and
you
my
know.
mum cannot drive on grass.
No. SeaWorld. So that's the entrance, but for the cars, not for people. So we're now having to walk back up here. and which will now make Hilton Garden Inn on our left. So at the end of that road you turn left. So that's the Hilton Garden Inn. That's where we were to turn left or right. We turned right, that was wrong. So turn left and we'll head down this road here. And then you got the entrance, as I said. Sorry, the exit to the car park. So at the crossroads, we turn left, sorry no. It'll take you right outside the Renaissance. There's a bus stop that I ride, there's a walkway, and there is a zebra crossing, which you can use a button whether or not it stops. I think it turns on a camera by the looks of it, and they may get flash if they don't stop. But we're going to head through, and we are now going to head on down to Seaworld. Don't know where the tribe have gone. Oh my god, they're all over there. Okay, so I'll catch them up.
A few moments later.
I can see the Hilton Garden Inn from afar
What it was.
in the red lights.
And you asked what it was, vlog.
And there's the Radisson just there. So we're heading to that to cross the road, to turn left, to go up the road, and then we're there.
Not walk all the way down the road, walk
Yeah.
all the way back up the road.
Don't walk down the road towards them. It's the wrong way. Well, we've made it over the car park, and we're now outside the Renaissance. So if you do stay here, you've got a zebra crossing and a little walk straight over to your main reception.
Like, you can stop in the middle, you don't have to peg it across the
Yeah,
whole thing.
stop in the middle, and I think you press this here.
You turn on warning lights that you're
Right, turn it on now. Oh, you did that. That's cool, that. Turn on some warning lights as you're crossing the road. So we now got to take a left turn from Renaissance to the Hilton Garden Inn. See you there. There's a side entrance with steps, or a couple more feet, and you've got the main car park with the hotel lobby just in front. So you can go the back way or the front, whichever way you prefer. And we're at the Hilton Garden Inn. We made it. How'd you get in? And that's where our breakfast. That's reception, lobby. Hiya, you right?
Hurry up.
Can you hurry up? 'Cause I'm kind of wee myself.
You should have that.
5.7. Ah,
OMG.
she's not awake.
Need to wake her up.
Yeah, you'll have to. Don't touch it. Oh, it's cute. They got. Let's see what's in the bag.
Go in.
No way.
Go in. Go in.
Stacey, we're in the room, but there's a little surprise on the bed.
There's an old.
Do you want to see?
I don't know. We wish you a restful night. Sylvia, housekeeping manager, and Florence, housekeeper. You
Dear.
don't know Spanish? Oh, she doesn't know
Do you know Spanish?
She knows uno, dos, tres.
Oh, what's that mean?
Look, come see what's in this bag.
Can I?
What are they? Oh, they're cute.
Don't not look at me.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
Are you cute?
1, 2, 3.
You like the surprise? Do you like the surprise?
Yeah, there's a pin. I've got a pin. I've
Oh.
got a pin.
No one touch anyone with a pin.
I've got a pin. I'm holding this right now.
It's been phenomenal to watch.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.